Hey everyone, it's me. I am back. I am also filming with my new lights. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. I took it upon myself to put up my softbox lights today. I got them on Amazon for really cheap. Sorry, I have a lisp because I'm wearing my retainer right now. First, I like to start with the Be Essential Beekeeper Made Lemon Lavender Lip Balm. I'm opening it up again because I need a new one. It claims to be moisturizing, softening, hydrating, nourishing, revitalizing, smoothing, and replenishing. I would say most of those claims are true. Actually I have a regimen, but I use an Axone Dapazone gel in 7.5%. It's a 60-gram bottle. You can only get this by a dermatology prescription. I suffered from really bad acne growing up, so they gave me this. You only need a pea-sized amount. I used a little bit more because I have a bigger face, but other than that, it's worked really well for my skin. So ask your doctors about that. I'll link it in the description box below because their coupons can make it a lot cheaper. I also use the Adapalene or Differin gel. It's become really popular. It used to be prescription only, but now you can pick it up at any local drugstore like CVS or Walgreens. It's a 1%. If you need a higher percentage, then you can only get it from a dermatologist, because I used to use like a 2%, and now this is 0.001%. So you don't need too much of it either. I like to try and use every last drop, as you can see. I'll link it down below too, because there are manufacturer coupons I've been able to find through this. Ugh, come on. I use Differin gel only at night, usually, but I forgot to use it last night. So here's how much I put in this use for both of them. So when I forget to use it, I'm going to be using a combination of the Milani Prime Light. It's oil-free, and then the Prime Shield from Milani. This is is like a dupe to the Benefit Primer. At least that's what I like to say. Because it's like silicone-y. Well, there's no silicones in it actually. But it's a mattifying, and then I just put my crease on. That's all. And this has lasted me for like a long time. So yeah, that. This is a Prime Light. It's also oil-free. I love anything that's like oil-free for my skin. There you go. Okay. So I'm using for the first time the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup SPF 17 in them. Well, in a few of them. Some of them are advertised as oil-free in this new shade. So I have the shade W5.5 Suntan, W5 Sand Beige, W4 Natural Beige, and W6 Sun Beige. So this is 5.5, and this is 6. Okay, why does 6 look not as dark as 5.5? I don't know, you tell me. So I'm obsessed with my body right now. I think like this one right now, 5.5 is what I'm warm 5.5 is what I would be using. And this Sage Suntan, it is all day wear, oil free, says. Okay. So I'll put some on the back of my hand. I don't use a lot of makeup, okay? It might surprise people that I don't use a lot of makeup. I just prefer not to use a lot of makeup, if that makes any sense. Santini 2-in-1 Concealer and Foundation, complete coverage in the shade. It doesn't tell me what shade. I got this on the AOA website. Oh, it's in beige. I don't know if this is a beige though. Yeah, I have some, what do you call, hyperpigmentation spots because of having had acne as a kid, or if it's just something I'll live with for the rest of my life, but this is clearly brighter anti-dark circle roller skin active by Garnier. I don't know why I'm using this again. I never like it when I use it, so why am I using it again? I don't know. We'll see. It's a makeup revolution shit. I'm really trying to cover this mustache going right now. This is CoverGirl. Whatever she is, okay. It's not as bad as I remember it to be, because I remember it to be really bad and totally unable to blend. So I guess I'm gonna apologize to you, Garnier. So I'm grabbing the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, blah 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 blah, and I will be setting my eyes with this wonderful powder. And then I'm gonna take the butt of it and try and bake. I've never baked before. Okay, I'm back. I'm using the Ulta Color Correcting Foundation Primer Stick, but in the shade Warm Chestnut. But I'm using it for a different purpose. Oh. Ooh. Boom. 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 And then boom. 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 Anyway, as I was saying, I do a soft glam for the summer, but this is a Muse Cosmetic Matte Bronzer. Again, I got this from Miss A. Just dipping it into it with a random brush. 2-in-1 bronzer and highlighter. And bronzer goes above contour. This one's shiny too. Okay, why is this like turning into a full face Miss A makeup tutorial? Anyway, it's an AOA blush in the shade Blush, actually. I love this stuff, to be honest. Even because it's a mirror. I'm using the same brush for everything because I'm being lazy. Blush is like a summer staple. Next step in a natural makeup look is just eyebrows. I have this e.l.f. brow brow in the shade Natural Brown, and then this doesn't tell me a shade. It's the Milani Easy Brow. I think it's like dark brown. I'm gonna do the Wow Brow. I think I'm gonna use the Wow Brow today. And then I'm going in with this Essence Volume Booster Last Primer Super Volume with Super Fruits. I think I just put myself in the eye. Okay, great. I just found this makes my
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Everything will be linked down below. Have a great day.